turn. I not keep back Are you okay?
I'm very okay. I will see you later. Greet your father for me.
Okay, no problem.
Chimezie, on this day, you have decided that you are going to be progressive. You have decided that you are going to do everything within your power to make it in this life. Today, I lock you. Today, you will not see anything good. All the things that you're looking for in this life, you will not see it. As I lock this key, this shall be tough for you. This shall be hard for you.
Jesus.
You will labor and you will not see anything good. Far and sweat, you will not see anything good. So shall it be.
What have I really done to this man? What have I really done to this man that this man just want to lock me? Hey! Mercy. What have I done to you now? So if I not witness this one now, that's how I would have been living a very miserable life. The kind of big padlock you're using to lock me. This guy is the Baruwala. This guy is very new. As I unlock this key, I am reversing everything that you have said about me. As I unlock this padlock, I am freeing myself from everything you have said about me, Mazi. As I unlock this padlock, I free myself from everything you have deposited in here. And now, as for you, Mazi, you are very foolish. You are locking me and you are leaving key. The padlock. Your biggest mistake.
So how are you?
I'm fine, though. I'm fine.
You have grown to be a very big man now.
It's good.
So what are you doing now?
Anyway, I'm still learning work.
Yeah, don't worry. It is well.
Now, Mazi, see all those things you have said. I triple them. In fact, no. Yes, let me start from there. I triple them into this lock. I reverse them, Mazi. This is you now, Mazi. And I am locking you back inside. Although my thumb. I lock you back inside. Are you okay?
I'm very okay. I will see you later. Greet your father for me.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Starting with this part of the office, you are going very far.
Make it fast, yeah. Something is wrong somewhere.
Mazi, imagine que toro biat.
We shall see.